Welcome back to AI Made Simple. In this episode, we'll answer, how do machines actually learn? When we say a computer learns, it doesn't mean it studies like humans. Instead, machines learn by finding patterns in data and improving over time. This field is called machine learning, or ML. It's a subset of AI. Here's an analogy. Imagine teaching a child to recognize animals with flashcards. Show enough cats and dogs, and eventually, the child can tell the difference on their own. That's exactly how machine learning works, feeding examples into algorithms. Let's look at the three main types of learning. First, supervised learning. The machine is trained with labeled data. For example, thousands of pictures labeled cat or dog. The model learns from those labels. Next, unsupervised learning. Here, there are no labels. The machine groups data by similarity, like clustering customers by shopping habits. And third, reinforcement learning. This works like trial and error. The machine gets rewards for correct actions and penalties for mistakes. Think of teaching a robot to play chess, rewarding it when it wins. Together, these approaches allow AI systems to keep improving. Machine learning is everywhere. Spam filters, product recommendations, fraud detection. It powers chatbots, search engines, and even medical diagnosis. The key idea: machines don't memorize. They learn patterns, and the more data they get, the better their predictions. Now you know how machine learning works at a high level. In our next tutorial, we'll explore why data is often called the new oil. Without quality data, AI simply can't function. So subscribe and join us in tutorial 3, where we'll dig deeper into the power of data. Thanks for watching AI Made Simple.